Hello guys, welcome to my channel. Today I'm going to give you a daily recap of today's price action. Let's start with the Nasdaq. As you can see on the Nasdaq, let's hop onto the 1 minute time frame. On the Nasdaq we started with having on the Nasdaq it was like a bullish CPI, but that didn't end all good. It went down, and in this move we had a SMT with a daily cycle low. YM, let's go here, took their low, but Nasdaq where we didn't take this low, at least it took it later. So you could have longed right here after this 5 minutes CISD. You could have longed in this fair value gap and put your stop loss here and take the long till my target that was somewhere here that I gave my free telegram, which you can find in my bio or in the description. Why was I bullish? Let's hop on the daily time frame. You see, we got here a SMT on the low of Q4, which is big signs. ES made equal lows right here, which are very suspicious, but didn't take out this low. And YM was still far from taking that low. Can you please actually let me know, guys, in the comments if the audio is good? Let's go further. Okay, so I was with the bullish ID looking at longs, searching for longs, yes. So I was long from around here, but then, as I said in the free telegram group, take profits, whoever is in longs, because this is a market maker sell model. I saw an original consolidation, the first stage accumulation, let's do it like this, and the smart money reversal, which was right at our target. And then we had also here on the top, can you notice one thing? Above the daily open we short and under the daily open we longed. Take notes on that. But this one took the daily cycle high. So, oh yes, this is the daily cycle high from 12x, from 12 to 6 is London's liquidity. But ES we didn't take this high, as you can see. YM didn't take this high, as you can see. So there was actually a valid SMT followed with a CISD, and whenever this breaker doesn't hold resistance, if it would have closed like one leg higher, you could have longed. Like if the first stage of accumulation of the buy side of the curve when in a market maker sell model, sell side of the curve in a market maker buy model doesn't hold resistance or support, that tells me that this market maker buy model doesn't gonna give us a second stage of distribution, as you can see here. And the second stage of distribution is ICT's favorite model. They asked him if he would trade, if he still would trade one model his whole life. He chose this model. It goes very fast. Let's hop on the 1 minute time frame. You see these fast candles, some accumulation, fast candles, and there we go. But what happened right before this? Let's hop onto the 1 minute, it's more clear there. Right before we went short, we took sell side, buy side, both sides, buyers and sellers taken out. The remove can happen. buy side was taken and sell side was taken. These lows were taken by other assets and we went long. Take notes on that, guys. Sauce is dropped. For the next days, for me actually, we don't have like a good daily S&P, or this is the only thing that gives me something, and I would be looking more for longs, but that doesn't mean that I will take a long position. If the market doesn't offer me like long position, if I look tomorrow into the market and I don't see like any long options, I would not take it. That's very obvious, because right now it took on both assets previous daily low, and I don't like that, to be honest, because there's no S&P that indicates us beside this one. Then we will go higher. But what could be possible is that we're going from premium to discount. From premium to discount. From premium, this is already in discount, I guess. From premium, this is in a very deep discount. But that's what possibly could happen. Let's look at the structure, how it's going down. Possible market maker buy model in construction that will reverse at 12 and then go up. Continuation during New York, going up. That's what I am seeing, but don't take my word for it, because that stuff can change. So this is everything I have for you today. I really like your engagement in the Telegram channels. Today the targets were spot on. Let's show you this. This is some love from my guy OAICD. The day this were, when it dropped, look how it reacted perfectly on my target 816. I will go back right now to my chart, but this is a summary. I said up front to focus on the intermediate targets during like the small range and side range days, bad choppy days. We were like 4 ticks away, 4 points and 1 tick away from this intermediate target. But look how the bodies respect my intermediate target that I gave you. Bodies tell the stories, wicks do the damage. Then I gave you the low of the day, very clean, by 1 tick up front. As you can see, I know it's hard to believe, but we have all the proof. I don't delete any chats, you can see everything back. And then it went back up to balance the range. And yeah, bodies tell the stories, reacted to my targets in random. Join the Telegram to get them. I won't stay forever here. Take advantage of the position that I give you. So hopefully you like this, guys. As I said, you can join my free Telegram in the link in bio. Until the next time, good luck and good trading.